Welcome back, guys. I'm really glad to have you back. Today I'll be showing you how to make Kpomo stew. Kpomo is also called cow skin, cowhide, or beef skin. It's a very common meat in Nigeria. We use it a lot in soup recipes or in pepper soup recipes. I'm just going to show you how to use your cow skin to prepare simple, delicious stew, which I know you're going to like it. Keep watching. So we are going to make Kpomo stew in this video. Now to make Kpomo stew, you will need some chili peppers, some fresh tomatoes, and some scotch bonnet pepper. They are right in there. You also need a medium onion, curry powder, ginger, garlic, nutmeg, and 2 stock cubes. First of all, you are going to add enough water to the Kpomo, wash and use a knife to scrape the skin. Wash it properly until it's clean. I've already done that. I seasoned it and I cooked it for a long time. It is very soft. Another thing you want to do is to combine your tomatoes, chili peppers, and some scotch bonnet. Bring in the ginger and garlic together, part of the onion together. Then you're going to blend this into a smooth paste. I like to blend my tomatoes into chunky paste, not completely smooth. Once you've combined everything and you've blended, set this aside. You're going to cut the Kpomo you have seasoned and boiled into your preferred sizes, just the way you would love them to be. Then you're done. You're also going to chop the onion. Going to place a medium pot on heat, then add some cooking oil into it, just a little bit. Once the oil is heated, you are going to add the chopped onions into it and fry. You can add some ginger also if you choose to, but I've already added it to the tomato to blend. Once you fry this for 2 minutes, it will start to smell nice. You're going to add the tomato mix into it and fry as well. You are going to cover the lid and cook the tomatoes until the sour taste is gone. Just make sure you stir this as it cooks. At this point, the water has reduced and the sour taste is also gone. You are going to season this with nutmeg, 2 stock cubes, curry powder, and a tiny bit of salt. After you've added everything, just stir this so everything combines. Now cook this for 5 minutes. After you've cooked this stew for 5 minutes, you're going to bring in the boiled Kpomo into it. Just stir everything to mix with the stew. I'm going to cook this for 3 minutes until the Kpomo absorbs the flavor of the stew. You're going to come back to the stew, then stir it. You can add some vegetables into it. Just cook this for a few seconds and your Kpomo stew is ready. Here is our yummy Kpomo stew. This stew can be paired with pasta, boiled rice, or boiled yam. This was just another easy way to make use of your cow skin. Enjoy your stew. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like this video, and also leave your comments in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.